In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro for free. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to download this powerful tool onto your computer without spending a penny. Whether you're looking to handle PDFs more efficiently or simply want to expand your digital toolkit, this guide will help you get set up in no time. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've got that up and running, type Adobe Reader into your search bar. This step sets the foundation for everything to come, kicking off our journey to downloading Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro. Now, as search results appear, look through the list for the official Adobe website link. This ensures that you're getting the software directly from the source, reducing the risk of downloading anything unwanted or harmful. After landing on Adobe's website, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the More Download Options link. This is a crucial step, as it leads you to a range of tailored download choices. Adobe offers various versions of their software to best fit your system's needs, so taking the time to find the right download option will ultimately enhance your experience. Now, under the Operating System menu, you'll notice a down arrow. Clicking on this will reveal a list of available system options. Here, locate and choose your version of Windows. Selecting the correct operating system ensures compatibility with your device, which is essential for seamless operation once the software is installed. With your operating system specified, you're now ready to download. Go ahead and click the Download Acrobat Reader button. At this point, the system will initiate the download process, delivering the setup file to your computer. Ensure that you wait for the download to complete before proceeding to the next steps. Once your download is finished, locate the setup file in your browser's Download tab, or find it in your computer's dedicated download folder. Open the file to kickstart the installation process. From here, an installation wizard will guide you step by step. Simply follow the instructions, and you'll have Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro installed in no time. Remember, if you encounter any issues during installation, double-check that you selected the correct download options and verify that your internet connection is stable. Those small adjustments can often make all the difference. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped with Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro at no cost. Enjoy exploring all the newfound capabilities that it unlocks for your document management and unleash your productivity potential. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.